So, I come from a production background in lawn care and landscaping. Everything's about, time and efficiency. What results are you seeing that make it worth the investment in doing that?
My background growing up, lining out bare root trees and liners, in the 90s on my father's farm, was just taking it and planting it out there and watering it in. Now we're taking this extra step of dipping everything here in the yard before it goes out into the field, and we don't have to water it as often in the springtime. Heaven forbid you have a dry spell in the springtime. You got to go out there and water everything more often. Now, by having this, the roots are getting adapted into the native soil much quicker.
Okay. How are you doing your application methods?
Several different methods from start to finish. In front of us here we have some liner material, some plants that we get as smaller sizes that we put in the field. So when we first get our liners, whether they're in containers or bare root, we have a 390 gallon tank. We mix up a slurry, roughly 300 gallons. Everything that goes out into our field is dipped into the tank for about 20 to 30 minutes and then taken out to the field and lined out, installed into our fields.
How long does that process take?
A few minutes. By the time you take it out of the pot, shake a little bit of the soil, loosen up the roots, throw it in, let it soak about 20-30 minutes, throw it on the planter to get lined out, about 45 minutes. It's about the same process for doing bare root liners as well. When we pull our bare root liners that are healed in our beds, that come in from Oregon, and then dipped in the tank as well.
Okay.